Yeah, hello guys. Last time I showed you how to use a CSS element selector to add margins to all the buttons in a Vue component. And that worked for these two buttons. But see this button here on the top? Uh, it didn't work for this button. What's this button used for? Um, well, this exercise is about compound adjectives. Uh, what the hell are compound adjectives, you might ask yourself? Well, you can just click, you want to Google this, and then you get the answer here. So it's something like a 7-year-old boy. Yeah, 7-year-old is a compound adjective, or wide-eyed astonishment. So you get wide eyes if you're astonished, or high-pitched laughter. These are compound adjectives. Um, so on my website you can Google, or that helps you to Google the topic very quickly. Um, Here the margin is missing, and what is the reason for this? Because this button is in another Vue component than the other two buttons, and here I want to add margin as well, and this time I do it with this Bootstrap library. So Bootstrap has utility classes. Um, uh, for example, it has utility classes to add margins. M stands for margin, and then you can make a hyphen, and then there comes a number. Yeah, that tells how much margin you want to have. So let's say 1 means only a bit of margin, and m hyphen 5 would mean you want a bit more margin. I want to use this Bootstrap library, which I have already included into my project. See whether this works. So the two buttons from my two last videos you have seen in the multiple choice gaps Vue component. Now the other button is in the Vue exercise component. It's exactly here. Here's the topic, and then comes the button, and yes, Bootstrap defines a set of CSS classes, and you can add a CSS class with class equals to uh, and now I specify the class that's m, and then a hyphen. And now how much margin do I want? Not much, right? So let's say just 1. Let's try it. Okay, and see whether the margin was added. See, there's a bit of margin here now. I don't know. Let's add some more margin so you see it clearly. So let's say M5. Oh, that was a bit too much. That was a bit too much. So let's say only M2 2. That should look now very nice. Yes, it indeed looks very nice. And this is what I wanted to teach you for this video. See you next time. Have a nice day.